When you need high-quality American suppliers, look to Part Gurus. And when you need a high-quality part guru that does wire forms, look to Crawford.
This is an interesting story. This is a wire tying part that goes into a dishwasher basket. We put the ball end on in the machine. Let's talk little. These are some small components. Some go into electrical assemblies and some of them go into small engine repairs. These are all custom made. A lot of them are with a customer we've had for over 30 years. Hi, I'm Mary Miller from Crawford Manufacturing. We specialize in wire forms, stampings, springs, and assemblies. We are in East Central Ohio, about 2 hours south of Cleveland. Our bread and butter is the mid to high volume stampings and wire forms.
Need high-quality wire forms, spring forms, and metal stamp parts?
Let Crawford Manufacturing become your new manufacturer for custom stamped and wire components.